Nicole Hernandez de Los Angeles.
Hi, I'm Kelly Misa Fernandez.
Hi, I'm Kat Juan Ledesma.
My name is Bianca Reynoso.
Hi everyone, my name is Patty Laurel Fillert of Baby Barangay. We were so thrilled to be invited by Dusit Manila and we had the best time cooking and eating here at Benjarong.
Excited to cook 3 amazing dishes. I hope they're going to be easy and I'm not going to be challenged later on. But yeah, so I'm excited to learn how to make the dishes later. I'm ready.
I love how chef taught us step by step and made it easy for us to understand.
It smells so good.
It's like a smooth, like a curly leaf. Like you have to feel the curly leaf.
Surprisingly easy because, well, I can't lie. Everything was prepared already. Basically, all I had to do was follow the instructions and pour everything into the pot or the bowl. So it was easy. If it could be that easy every day, I would definitely be cooking food like that all the time.
Today we just had our first Thai cooking class at Dusit, and I have to say it was such a fun experience. Our chef, who taught us how to do 3 Thai dishes, was an absolute pro. It was easy to understand, it was fun to do, and it was a great bonding experience with my girlfriends. And I highly recommend you do the same.
Yeah, this one is correct.
Today we experienced cooking Thai cuisine here in Benjarong in Dusit Thani Hotel, and wow. I can cook a few dishes, but I never in my entire life that I can do Thai dishes.
Thank you. Khobun ka. Khobun ka.
I highly recommend it, especially for small groups, barcadas, family members. It's a great bonding experience and you get to eat really fantastic food.
I really encourage you guys to try because it's a great and fun experience, especially with your friends.
It was really an amazing experience. I learned so much and now I'm more confident to cook Thai dishes in the kitchen. It doesn't seem so intimidating anymore and it's all thanks to this wonderful cooking class. I'm so happy.